looks pretty heavy, so I'm gonna try it right now. Hey everyone, it's me Ice. I hope you're all doing well, and today I wanted to do a bit of a, not a mukbang, but I'm trying out that viral frozen bark treat that people have been making. I made my own version to it, which I will show you in just a second. What I did was I bought yogurt, plain yogurt, blueberries, strawberries, pecan, like a lemon curd. I added a spoon of that. I mixed it together and I put it on a tray, like a long tray, and I let it freeze for like probably 30 to 40 minutes, probably an hour or two. Then I went ahead and got some dark chocolate and I started cooking it until it melted, and then I pasted it over the frozen bark. I'm gonna get it out of the freezer and I'm going to try it with you on camera. Guys, I just wanted to tell you, I just got out of the shower, and if you see anything shining here, it's because it's, well, I wash my face, but it's castor oil. If you're not on TikTok, people have been putting castor oil on their fine lines and saw a difference. So I've been doing it for 2 days now, and I'm not gonna lie, I see a bit of a difference. My forehead for sure, and my laugh lines are still there, obviously, because I talk a lot and I laugh, but I do see a difference in my forehead. And my laugh lines, I'm not too sure yet, maybe if you do, but it's a lot of castor oil I've been putting, so if I'm glistening, it's because of that. So okay, you guys, so this is what it's looking like so far. Everyone had a nice lean bark, but this one I kind of like whimmed it. They're pretty thick, but it's been like 2 hours, so this is what it's looking like. Pretty thick. I'm not gonna eat all of this. It looks pretty heavy, so I'm gonna try it right now. It's really good. Lemony. I love lemon, and I added pecan because I love pecan. This one, my version of it, it's a little thick, as you can see. It's definitely thick. It's not bad. I love it. It's healthy, and I like it. It's a good like treat to have, like after dinner. This is really nice. It's really easy to make. As I said in my last video, like, my nutrition hasn't been the best. I've been reading some meal plans from Healthy Girl. She's well known on TikTok. She has like, I think vegan meals or vegetarian meals, but I've been following her for so long. I followed some of her recipes and I love eating it because her like salads are great. She has all these beautiful ideas, and when I did some of her recipes, I was just full of energy throughout the day. I went ahead and bought her book at Target, so I was writing down some of the some recipes that I want to get on as soon as possible. But this one for sure caught my eye. I had to try it. I was like, this looks like fun. I could do this. This is easy. And I just added my own twist to it. Of course, pecan and lemon with it. And it's like very, very good. Alright, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I had to try that bark, frozen yogurt bark thing that's been going around. And I really like it. I think it's very cute. I plan on making it for my niece and nephew, and I just added my twist to it and I like it. I think it's very, very creative and healthy, and it's very delicious as well, and I think it's great for like a nice treat after dinner. I hope you enjoyed this very quick video. I appreciate you guys so much. I will see you guys next week with a brand new video. I appreciate you and I love you, and I hope you guys have a fantastic week. I love you so much. And shout out to all my new subbies. You guys are awesome. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.